Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here to the port. We're gonna help, Commander, I don't know, do something and something. Who cares? Because it turns out Captain Quark's a bad guy. Who'd have thunk it? I honestly didn't see that coming. I knew something was fishy. I thought he was gonna be like an imposter or something, like the real one was captured. I don't know. I did not see bad guy coming up, though. Alright, let's see. Where can we go here? I'm gonna go up here first, I guess. Is this where I just came from? My sense of direction is terrible for those who've been around this channel. Ooh, wait. I want that. And this. And this. Yeah. Cool. We should be good then, right? Yeah! Rolling around at the speed of sound. I was probably supposed to jump onto the other. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. What happened there? Oh, I was supposed to jump over that. Okay. Well, okay. Well, the camera, man. Okay, try this puppy again. I see you coming now. Jump over that. Jump over that, even though you can't see it coming. Jump that, and jump that, and jump that, definitely. Get over there. There we go, we're killing it. I can't see shit, though. Okay. Whoa, I still can't see. Jumping over here now, I guess. Alright, this isn't so bad. Your biggest, challenge is the damn camera. Oh shit, I say as I'm speeding up now. Oh, fuck me. We're still good. Oh. I shouldn't have fucking dunked on the camera. Oh. That was purposeful design. It showed you a little bit ahead of time, so you knew it was coming. Jump over there! Oh my gosh, you didn't do it at first. I'm going over here. Do a little ring around the rosy. Yeah, you guys like that shit? That's where you're on this channel. Oh. Oh. Heat. Yeet. Free. Yeet. Yeet. Is this the whole level? Are we just like... Because this is going on for a lot longer than I feel like it should have. If this is only part of the level here. Whoa! Are you... Holy shit.
Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous.
Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
Deal. Only 2,000? Right.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest fighter fighters using only their parts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
That guy died. He made a joke.
If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this, Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Nah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
What happened to my boys? Why do you fight like this? That'll return me to my ship. Okay. Now, was that all on this planet? I thought there was, more to do here. Review missions. Meet the commando at the city. Alright, so that was like a side thing, I think. Where's my ship? So I went... I didn't go that way, I don't think. That was a dead end, so I think this way is the way to meet the commando, maybe? Oh, great. Oh, cool. You have... Oh, that's pretty simple to dodge, really. Jake killed his partner. Oh, shit. I didn't realize I only had one hit left. Alright, hold on. Hold the phone. It's gotta be health somewhere over here, right? No, maybe not. What is this? Unlocky? Well, before I do that, hold on. Before I get sucked into over there, what's over here? Actually, that looks like the way to go. So, what is over here? I don't know where to go, man. We'll try this way. Okay, so we have these three, so... Nope. So you guys go... Right... Oh, only one of them shooting shit. Okay, so really it's... You I gotta focus on... You go there. So I need you two here, right? You shooting there, yeah, okay. Nope, 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 nope. These controls, man. Oh shit, this is nice and helpful. I'm gonna use... Oh, I'm gonna use... oh, does the suck cannon work on the boxes? It does not. Okay, that's alright. Alright, let's use the bomb glove then. This is a nice little room here. Gave me a lot of this stuff. Ooh, what do we got in here? Ammo, I like that, I like that. We got this punk. Ow, I didn't know you could hit me, dude. I'm at 1 health again. Oh, wait a minute. Watch this. Watch this. I got an idea. Check this action out. Where is my mines? Don't I have a mine? Mine glove. Check this. Wait, how do I... Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I did already. Okay. Come on out, big boy. Yeah. Okay, I could go down there. I'd rather not. I only have 1 hit. I kill him too? I can't even tell. Who's the other guys? Isn't there 2 of them? There's 1. Shoot, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, I thought I can go in there. Okay. Can I go in here? You definitely cannot. Okay, that takes you back here. Okay, no biggie. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. We need a freaking... I don't got a Devastator! Oh my gosh. I'm fucked. Get me the hell out of here. Holy shit. I don't even know. Did I kill him? I did not. Okay, that's alright, because we're gonna switch shit here. Can I just... Well, two of them die immediately, so that's not good there. There you go, boys. Hell yeah, dude. Fuck them up. Oh, I see health over there, too. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nice. They give me a lot of Glove of Doom ammo, and I feel like I never use the Glove of Doom. I feel like this is a secret. Am I going to a golden, No, yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Oh, too far you jumped. Oh, I'm still okay, though. Should I go this way, then? I think that just takes me back... Oh, no, there's an enemy down there. Okay, this is new. Holy shit, Glove of Doom saved my ass. I am... Did it kill that big thing? There's that guy down there. I'm gonna go get him, too. I wouldn't mind that. Oh, do I have the Glove of Doom with a mine? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shooting mines out. Fuck them up, boys. Nice. No more health anywhere, though, or what's up with that? Oh shit! No, no, undo, undo! Get out of here! I can't leave! Oh my gosh. Hold the fucking phone. Hold on, boys. We're gonna Glove of Doom this up again. Alright, is that everybody? Whoo! Okay, we got half a bridge up. I don't see any traps down here. Oh shit, something's shooting me? Something just shot me, I feel like. Or maybe that was my Glove of Doom guy blowing up. Either way, this is okay, because if I die here, I got these bridges all set up, so it'll be very fast to get back. Tank going across? Gotta be, right? Who's going across? You could... Oh, is that the commander? I think that's the commander. Hey, pal.
Blast that thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
That was funny.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine, let's get going then. We'll come back later.
You will need a pair of Gadgetron Magna boots to traverse this ventilation shaft. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect any Magna boots on this planet.
Alright, so I do gotta come back. That's okay. Can I leave this way? Oh no, this is the way I gotta go. Oh, no. Oh, wait. I feel like that ship takes me back, doesn't it? I was hoping to get 10,000 bolts before I leave. But I think that's where we're going to end it today. I'm just going to go to the ship, and that'll be the end of our episode here. So, yeah, I know. I just want to go on this thing. Hold on. I know. Hold on. Let me get on here. Wait, it's not going to... There we go. All right, so boys and girls, once again, I hope you have a good evening, good rest of your day, good afternoon, good morning. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.